Missouri's abortion law could be in question depending on the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling in upcoming cases. One case will determine whether a ban on abortions before a fetus is considered viable is unconstitutional. KOMU8's Taylor Freeman looked into the potential local impact those rulings might have.
So Noah, there's 3 cases on the docket this session that are about abortion access. One specifically coming out of Mississippi, Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health. It's set to challenge the precedent set by Roe v. Wade nearly 50 years ago. With the new 6-3 conservative majority on the bench, local activists are taking action. For those in need of an abortion, there is only one place left to go in Missouri: a Planned Parenthood in St. Louis. Limited access forces desperate choices for those in need with barriers to access.
People who have money and availability to transportation or someone to come with them, they are always going to have access to abortion somehow. It's the people that aren't going to be able to get on a bus and go and take 2 days off of work. So we really need to consider that we are really putting a really serious pressure on someone who is already facing a difficult choice.
The United States Supreme Court began its new session on Monday. Among the 39 cases it will hear is one that could overturn Roe v. Wade, a precedent that has stood for nearly 50 years, ensuring safe access to abortions. Mississippi State Senator Joey Fillingane hopes for more restrictions.
Our certain hope is that they will see that the current standard of 24 weeks is too rigid and that we need to move that forward some amount of time.
This is concerning to some local activists.
Everybody says the government doesn't need to be in my bodily decisions, and I believe that that's right.
At a protest on Saturday, people showed up to rally against what they see as moving backward.
It is very concerning that we could be taking a step backwards in the overall care of our community, and I really do see it as that.
The Supreme Court will hear arguments on the Dobbs case on December 1st. For analysis and explanations of these cases, you can go to KOMU.com to read more. In the studio, Taylor Freeman, KOMU 8 News.